IBM shares up big here today. Too bad it's not a Dow component anymore. Let's get the very latest from Jared Blikre on this. This is an over 100-year-old company, Jared, and they are breaking up because of the cloud. So I guess the cloud is here to stay. What do you make of this?
Breaking up over the cloud, never easy to do, but shareholders like this. And this is a deal where they're going to spin off their managed infrastructure services business. It's kind of the more boring business of the two, low growth. They're going to focus on the cloud and specifically integrating their Red Hat purchase and growing that. And they expect that to be growth. And they could be a very different company in 5 years. I'm sure shareholders would like that because they've been dead money for a long time. Importantly, they're going to keep their dividend among the two companies. They're going to figure out how to keep it the same. And let's just take a look at the stock here. And over the last 6 months, look at this, straight sideways. And we are testing this upper bound here at 135. We actually hit 142 in the pre-market. But you take a look at what's happened over the last 10 years. This is a stock that has just been steadily trending down and still got a ways to go. You got to get to 155, 160 to really definitively break out of this. But they got the makings of it, Jen.
Interesting to see these old legacy companies breaking up. Of course, Hewlett-Packard doing its Hewlett-Packard Enterprise thing a few years ago. So we'll have to see how this one plays out. Of course, Yahoo Finance did have IBM CEO Arvind Krishna on the air earlier today talking about this deal. Here he is.
Today is a landmark day for our company. When I first became CEO, I talked about a relentless focus on growth. And when we look at growth, we also said it's going to be focused on hybrid cloud and AI. That's a $1 trillion total addressable market. And given that $1 trillion market, and given our confidence in the platform that is based on the Red Hat technologies, now is the time to focus down and double down on hybrid cloud.
So again, IBM looking to split up here, doubling down on the cloud, and the stock was higher on the session, as we heard Jared speaking about.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.